to High Country Animals and Farm Days and Wayfarer Farm, and we would like to thank our 100 subscribers. I think it's 127 right now, by featuring every single animal on the farm. Follow me. Featuring my favorite boy,
Music
Mr.
licensing
Shuffles.
reimagined.
We can roll on and love on. I can't put all my weight on. Okay. And then here we have Miss Lainey with her fashionable brand new fly mask. The flies are terrible. And then there is Miss O, who also has a brand new fly mask. It's a little big. People don't understand how small my little friends are. We do not have one small enough for Miss Lucky. Lucky!
And there's Jeannie!
Lucky.
And Lila! Jeannie! Lucky! She's a
We
monster.
have our 7 chickens, which
Music
out of them
licensing
there are 2
reimagined.
roosters, so actually only 5. These guys are fraidy cats, and I don't know why. Come here.
We exposed them to the wild at an early age. That one's Tenders. That guy.
Chicken tenders.
Yeah.
And somewhere Regina's in there too. Regina Joy.
Here are the chickpeas. They have a band. I'll put the link to their YouTube in the description. There isn't a video, but there will be when I'm done working on their album. So watch out for that. They are.
There's only one. Have a chick.
There are more. They're in
Hiding
here.
inside because we're about to.
And here are the lovely
Music
ladies.
licensing reimagined.
Here is one big mama. Miss Whipped Cream, and she's gonna run.
She is the mother of the group. Not everybody, but of most.
Artlist.io.
And there's Marshmallow, Oreo's back there, and then Black Beauty with her whack teeth.
Hi, Trina.
Yeah, well, they will be whack. In here,
Music licensing reimagined.
well, that's Lila there. Lila likes bunnies a little too much. But in here, we have Bugs and Star, and that's our Christmas tree. Ah, get out, Lila. Oh, there's Thunder. There is Bugs and Star back there in a separate enclosure because they're bullies.
Friends.
Willow and
and
Fern.
They're not happy being in a jail pen this year, but it's
Music
better than the
licensing
ponies.
reimagined.
Oh!
Oh,
And here.
they're very friendly. Here are the main attraction. Hi, everybody. She's very pregnant. She's very pregnant. I don't know when this is gonna go up, but as of July, what's today? July 14th,
Artlist.io.
there is no baby. I can do a speed run of all their names. Ready, watch, this will be on the quiz. Buddy, Fluffster, Carrot, Floppy, Banana, Punkman, Nina, Decem, Baby yet to be named, and other baby yet to be named.
Music licensing reimagined.
So, what else do you have to say?
This is our life. You're missing the cat, and we need to go inside because there's thunder. Please subscribe.
Artlist.io.
So those are all our animals. I can't keep track anymore. And my princess, the queen, Io. Like and subscribe our videos if you would like to see more on the chaos. of high country animals at Wayfarer Farm
Reimagined.
on the videos of farm days. Like
It's Farm Friends.
Farm Friends.
It's
So,
Do it.
did I say like and subscribe?
you did.
Check our website,
Instagram
on Instagram
and Facebook.
and Facebook. Bye-bye. Guys, there has ever, in the 25 years I've lived here, been 1 or 2 deer fly up here because we don't have water.
Artlist
But now it rains every day. Look at these things. They're everywhere. There's hundreds of thousands of them. They're on Desi's hat. I gotta walk around with these on my hat because they don't care about bug spray. They're like immune to it. Signing off. Throwing these out.